Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a weather widget to your lock screen on iOS 16. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. One of the biggest new features of iOS 16 is the ability to add widgets to your lock screen. Here is how you can add the weather to your iPhone lock screen on iOS 16. When you are on the lock screen and Face ID has unlocked the padlock, hold down anywhere on the screen to go into customization mode. Tap Customize. Tap Add Widgets. Scroll down to Apps and select the Weather app, or choose a different weather app if you use a different one. Select the type of weather widget you want to add, and tap it to add it to your lock screen. You can select up to 3 widgets to display at once, so you can choose some other weather widgets, or widgets from different apps. After that, tap Done at the top right to save it. Then select Set as Wallpaper Pair. The weather will now display as a widget on your iPhone's lock screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS 16 tips and tricks.